Hey guys, here we are, and I've just done the first bit. We're going to an island now. Sorry I didn't show you the first bit, I was a bit thinking it, so... And this is the series, split everything. Can you not hear it? Damn it! Boulevard Island, that's what it's called. I knew it was something that came with H. I was going to call it Julian Island. Then I remembered that it's not Julian Island. So, you know. Is that Clank? Clank, it's my best mate! Clank, no! You said that you come back and you just left me, dish me like you always do. Stupid kid. I hate you, Clank. So you couldn't come here right away so I can bitch you up.
Come on, let's check out the island.
Yeah, let's check it out. Oh, that hurt! Ignore the boxes. I hate boxes. You never know what's in them. Oh my god, snails! I never knew snails could fight. Well, you know. Oh!
Clank, are you out there?
Magic. You heard that pirate. Our father's dead. And there are no zombie on murder guns. That's just he tricked us.
He sent us here for a reason. There has to be some kind of connection.
Yes, college. Die, boxes. Let's go. I mean, you know how I did that. Did you? I'm just a professional at this kind of stuff.
Maybe you can use your rescue kit as cover.
That's how you do it. Oh, that's how you do it. What am I going? Oh yeah, I'm dancing. Why am I walking like that? I'm walking there. Walking! Hate this stuff.
Think you can handle this one?
This dude is being great. Oh yeah. I've already done it. Thank you. Oh my god, what is wrong with this thing? The bad. Spot. Spot. I just guess. Why won't it move? Voila! Thank you. Voila! Yes. I just jumped down. Woo! I swim instead. You guys get it so far? It's kind of a kind of thingy. You have to know. Oh, let's get this thing. It's weird. What? Oh, it's oh, I've always wanted to try this. Ready, 3, 2. Cannonball! Let's go under. How do you fire this? Diamonds! I love you. Kiss my face. Who knew you could jump in water when there's no ground? Well, you know. You learn things every day, don't you? So, comment below if you like this podcast. Even though someone's not even watched my video yet, I think that I'm going to do really good, like Maliki, like I've got 5 subscribers in a bit. Stupid. And when he does this, I hate it. But I'm right next to it. Stupid. Does anyone else think it's stupid? Stupid. Stop. I hate this. I hate this shot. Whoa! That was awesome! Did you guys see that? I want to play COD 2, COD 1, COD, but my dad won't let me, unfortunately. Can I play COD 2, please? Why? You let me play it before. Let's play Skipping Stones. Yes, I actually landed there as well. Skipping Stones. I love that sound, it's awesome, don't you, Dad? Oh. No, I don't want to play in this. Should we, what I really want to play is on quick game. Shall we, play in Big Planet 2? I've got it, you know. I'm just gonna play in it. So, I really enjoy playing these games. I really do. And it's awesome. And I just love it. And, you know, it's a Big Planet 2, eh? No, this part is annoying. Look at this. Oh, is that me? I do that every time, it's annoying. So guys, I just, this is formality really. He told me to go get on YouTube channel, so I got one. And I got you guys now, even though I got no one to. Do not switch off your system when you see this. I've played on this loads of times and I know what's happening. Oh no. Look at this! It's this one! I love it! Oh wait! I thought you were laughing there. Like, what? No way. Don't tell me we have to. Apparently we have to watch this. I don't like this bit, it's boring. Get this bit boring. Oh no, a little kid in this not here would do that. Help! Help!
And this vast expanse of imagination has a name. They call it Little Big Planet.
There you go, that's the introduction. No. Again! No, I don't want. Oh no, what they're doing to left sticker. I collected all of them. Demo. I guess. Be a guest. So. What is wrong with this? Sorry guys, stop. Oh my god. Oh. I need to do something. Yeah. Testing. You can hear me? You can hear me, Kevin? Can you? Kevin, can you hear me? Yes. It won't let me on. Kevin, help, Kevin. I want to play it though. What? How do I want to play on Netflix? It's my YouTube channel. But you're recording as well. So can they hear me? Yes. Damn it. Maybe. I don't know. Sorry. One second. insane, like it's not letting me on. Kevin, help me. Of course you can load my page. Oh, actually, of course I know that. Oh, you think I am a chicken nugget? But where did that come from? I don't know. Okay. Yeah, so guys, so Kevin. This is to Kevin and hello. Yeah. Okay, I tell them that. Tell them. No, you're not controlling my YouTube channel. Oh yeah, by the way guys, I've got a different kind of one where it leads down. It's this little thing above this little speaker thing. Yes! Okay. Okay. See you Kevin. Bye. I'm going to try one more time. That's right. I have to replay it too. Kevin, I'm back on. Kevin, I'm back on. I know, it's a miracle.
Welcome to Little Big. You are Little Saffron.
Am I? Oh, carry on with the game. I love it.
You can move around to the left. Push it just a little bit for a slow, gentle creep. And all the way for a mad dash to the finish line.
Emily?
Stay out of trouble using the
I can play. Yeah. Come on then.
tap the action button first.
Do you mind if Emily gets in?
Or hold it down.
No? Okay, Emily, come on. Do it clear. Hey, it's my roller. My favorite roller. Yeah. Hey, that's great too. No, I'm taking it. Oh, what's he doing? Oh no. Yes, right. This is the introduction, by the way. Where am I?
It's not always the dumb thing to gad about the Little Big Planet system.
I think I hear Hey, we're playing together. Oh no. I thought we were playing the piano. Can you behave it, guys? Ah, shut up. Oh. Jimmy, I'm gonna fight you.
Always remember to use
Fight me.
the
No, she's gonna slap in the face. No, not that. I'm gonna fight my life. Why are you going in there? Look, it's gonna be funny. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Do you guys have it? Oh my god, what's happening? No, not the Hoover. Not the Hoover. People thinking it. Not me. I'm not the tree. Oh yeah, guys, I think in the first one, in the first one at the end that two points or something. I think it goes and then it goes into this one. Oh, it just doesn't matter. Guys, by the way, this is a big fight too. It's awesome. Buy it, play it yourself. But do not just go for it. Because sometimes it costs. Play it too. Play it live.
An ancient evil still to threaten the very survival of the cosmos. They call it the Negativitron. But what can stop the unstoppable? This world needs only one thing. It needs a hero. One man.
Alright, guys, I'm going. See you later. Punch in the face, not a breakfast. Bye. Bye, bye then.